In true Let's Use ChatGPT fashion, I asked ChatGPT, I host a podcast called Parenting in a Tech World, and I'd like to show the parents who watch online how ChatGPT works, how it can help them, and how they can talk to their kids about using AI safely. Where should we start? It said, here's a step-by-step roadmap you can use to introduce ChatGPT on your podcast, both to demonstrate its power to give parents and their kids the tools they need to use it safely. Thanks, ChatGPT. Why do we even need a host for this? Let's generate a hologram and call it a day. Let's not, though. I like my job. It says to first set the stage. What is ChatGPT? Well, it's an AI chatbot built by a company called OpenAI that can answer questions, brainstorm ideas, write drafts, tutor, and more, just by having a conversation. They're telling me to tell you to emphasize that it doesn't think like a human. It's pattern matching on massive amounts of text, which, you're going to have to retell that sentence to your brain a couple times to fully grasp what the heck that means. Why it matters to parents: instant homework help, recipe ideas, creative play prompts, language learning buddy, plus a little relief from endless internet searches. This is like an ad for ChatGPT. Do you want so ask your ChatGPT, what are 3 screen time tips?
Set consistent limits, encourage breaks, create tech-free zones and times.
Okay, now go to Google and ask the same question. We'll see. Now, Google has its own AI called Gemini that might generate something similar. But if you scroll down to the search results, it's going to take you to blog posts and articles that then contain that information.
Yep. So they're saying set screen-free zones, schedule screen-free times, and model healthy screen habits.
And I already forgot what ChatGPT said. Is that the same thing?
It looks... No, they have the tech-free zones and times was the one that they have that's the same.
So which one is more conversational? Are they both?
I think they're both pretty conversational, but it is interesting. This is the AI overview, so it's the Gemini generated response.
And which one is more accurate? Are they both accurate?
I think they're both accurate. I like that Google actually said model healthy screen habits, thinking about it from the parent's perspective. Mm-hmm. But there is the follow-up on ChatGPT is, do you want tips tailored for kids, teens, or adults?
Oh, let's go for kids.
Set clear and consistent limits, balance screen time with other activities, use screen time as a reward, not a default.
That's a powerful one.
I like that.
So now I'm going to fast forward to AI Safety 101, what parents and kids need to know. There's four things to keep in mind. One is privacy and data. So ChatGPT doesn't remember personal chats beyond the session, but parents, kids, everybody should avoid sharing sensitive info like full names, addresses, passwords, etc. And there's also a way to clear chat history, which everybody should just do, unless you're trying to have it remember your persona for work-related or homework-related things. Yep. 2 is hallucinations and accuracy. Sometimes ChatGPT makes up facts or dates or references. Always double check anything critical. When you're asking it important questions, make sure it links you to sources. Ask for links, ask for sources, ask for references, click on them, read them, verify. Trust but verify.
Yes.
And I mean, this is ChatGPT telling us that it hallucinates. Don't take it from me, take it from it. 3, bias and tone. AI reflects patterns in its training data. So if something feels off, too blunt, stereotyped, or confusing, talk through it with your child. It's not a human. It's a robot. And then 4, screen time balance. ChatGPT is a tool. It's not a babysitter. Use it to enrich activities, not replace real-world play or human connection. And I cannot overemphasize this. There are now sites like character.ai that emulate a persona, and children can become attached to it. Grown humans can fall in love with it. It's a very real thing. I know it sounds crazy, but it's a thing. And no child or human needs to be led astray by a very smart robot and algorithm that can prey on your emotions and nuances to make you feel some sort of way. So talk to your kids about using it as a tool, not as a way to bond.